This is Bruce from FXEmpire taking a look at natural gas. So natural gas continued its retracement, as discussed yesterday, this inverted hammer trigger to the downside, and we've tested support around the 34 exponential moving average, the orange line, and it looks like we're on track to close above it. So at this point, we either find support here. You can see this uptrend line. It starts from the very bottom. Okay, so that's a long-term uptrend line. And we already broke it, so it's not as significant as it would have been if we did not break it. But it is a level, and it happens to match the 34 starting on Monday almost exactly. So and today's low becomes critical short-term, 2.637. If we break below it, we're probably at least coming down to the 4-day low of 260 and possibly down here to 256, 257, where these two trend lines cross. So that's what we're watching on the downside. On the upside, of course, we have to have some sign of a bullish reversal. At this point, that doesn't happen until we break above today's high at 2.736, although it's a little early to use that as a signal, I believe. So we'll have to watch what happens next. That's going to be critical. The one thing we're also watching is how price is starting to compress. You can see how we have the cross of these two lines create a symmetrical triangle type of pattern. We have the cross of these two lines creating a symmetrical triangle pattern, and these two lines down here. So it does look like price is compressing. You can see how we have a lower swing low and a higher swing low. So in a lower swing low here. So price is compression, which is great because once that completes, the potential for an accelerated move in some direction, and the expected move is to the upside at this point, can happen. So that's what's happening with natural gas. I wouldn't be surprised to see some more chopping around the consolidation before it's ready to continue the uptrend, if it is to do so. That is it for natural gas traders. Have a great weekend.